Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to bring you a comprehensive review of the Lenovo IdeaPad 1. Whether you're looking for a dependable laptop for your studies, work, or everyday browsing, this budget-friendly device promises a lot. But does it deliver? Stick around as we uncover everything you need to know. The Lenovo IdeaPad 1 is a sleek and efficient laptop designed to meet the needs of a variety of users. Priced competitively, it offers several impressive features that make it stand out in the budget laptop category. Let's dive deeper into its specifications and see what it has to offer. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. Right out of the box, the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 impresses with its clean and simple packaging. Inside we have the laptop itself, a power adapter, some documentation, and a quick start guide. First impressions? The laptop has a solid build with a sleek gray finish. It feels sturdy and looks quite premium for its price range. Now, let's power it up and see how it performs. The Lenovo IdeaPad 1 features a 15.6-inch Full HD display that delivers clear and vibrant visuals, making it perfect for watching videos, browsing the web, and working on documents. The slim bezels enhance the viewing experience, giving it a modern look. One of the highlights is the ergonomic keyboard with a numeric keypad. It's comfortable to type on, and the keys have a good amount of travel, which should make typing sessions less tiring. The touchpad is responsive and supports multi-touch gestures, adding to the overall usability. Under the hood, the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 is powered by an Intel Celeron N4500 processor, paired with 12 GB of RAM. This combination ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks such as web browsing, streaming, and document editing. Let's put it to the test. The 12 GB of RAM allows for efficient multitasking, and we didn't experience any lag while switching between applications. The 512 GB SSD provides ample storage space and fast boot times, which is a significant advantage over traditional hard drives. Connectivity is another strong suit of the Lenovo IdeaPad 1. It comes equipped with an SD card reader, HDMI port, and multiple USB ports, allowing you to connect various peripherals with ease. Additionally, it supports Wi-Fi 6, ensuring fast and stable internet connectivity. The inclusion of HDMI means you can easily connect the laptop to an external monitor or TV, which is great for presentations or watching movies on a bigger screen. The SD card reader is a handy feature for photographers and content creators who need to transfer files quickly. The Lenovo IdeaPad 1 comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, providing a fresh and user-friendly interface. The new Start menu, improved multitasking capabilities, and integration with Microsoft Teams make it a productive environment right out of the box. Additionally, Lenovo includes a 1-year subscription to Office 365, which is a fantastic value add for students and professionals alike. You get access to essential applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, enhancing the laptop's productivity potential. Battery life is a crucial aspect for any laptop, especially if you're on the go. The Lenovo IdeaPad 1 promises up to 10 hours of battery life on a single charge, making it a reliable companion for a full day of work or study. During our testing, the laptop managed to last around 8 to 9 hours with moderate usage, which is impressive. This means you won't have to worry about carrying your charger everywhere you go. Audio quality is another area where the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 excels. The built-in speakers deliver clear and loud sound, making it enjoyable to watch movies or listen to music without needing external speakers. The full HD display, combined with decent audio quality, makes this laptop a great choice for entertainment purposes. Whether you're watching Netflix or having a video call, the multimedia experience is satisfying. At a price point of under $400, the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 offers excellent value for money, considering its robust feature set, reliable performance, and the added benefits like a year of Office 365. It's hard to find a better deal in this price range. When compared to other laptops in this category, the IdeaPad 1 stands out with its superior build quality, better performance, and additional features. It's an ideal choice for budget-conscious buyers who don't want to compromise on quality. So, there you have it, the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 is a fantastic option for anyone looking for an affordable, reliable laptop that doesn't skimp on features. If you're in the market for a new laptop, this one should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's a specific device you'd like us to review next. See you in the next video.